The Tools menu in Google Sheets has a lot of things to help you out as the owner of the sheet. First, we looked a little bit before at creating a form for your sheet. If you would like to have people fill out a form that would have data automatically go into your spreadsheet, you can click Create a Form. When you do that, it'll open up Google Forms with the option to quickly create your form. We're not going to go into depth with how we create and use Google Forms, but very quickly we can type in our question. And if we want more questions, we can add an additional question if we would like. And then when we're happy with our form, we can send it out to users. Then when they fill this in, and they choose their shirt size and click Submit, those results are going right back in our spreadsheet on our Form Responses 1 tab. Here I can see the timestamp of when it was done, the name, and the t-shirt size. Using forms to go directly into your spreadsheet is a great way for you to easily collect data and to organize it in the same place as your other data.